Welcome to the COSMETIC Factory universe. COSMETIC Factory is the only PLM cloud dedicated to cosmetics that integrates a real project management dimension. Finally, transparent and efficient collaboration becomes possible at all stages, from the creation to the marketing of a cosmetic product. With COSMETIC Factory, all the departments and even partners of a company interact permanently. Anticipate and manage your schedules easily. You create task workflows adapted to the specific needs and processes of each of your teams. In a couple clicks, you can view their schedules and reallocate tasks according to the workload. Forget about communication problems. Alerts and customizable dashboards allow you to monitor the progress of your projects in real time. No need for repeated emails to keep you informed. With Gantt charts built into the software, you get a 360-degree view of the progress of your teams and projects. Project management in COSMETIC Factory is the assurance of saving time and efficiency, and of perfectly controlling the creation and marketing cycle of your cosmetic products.